Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to update Notepad++ on Windows. First, open Notepad++ from your computer. Once Notepad++ is open, go to the top menu and click the question mark icon. From the menu, look for the option called Update Notepad++. Click on it to check whether a new version is available. In my case, Notepad++ shows no update available. This simply means that the built-in updater does not currently have an update ready for this installation. If you want to check for the latest version manually, open your web browser. Now go to the official Notepad++ website and open the Downloads page. Here you can check the latest available version of Notepad++. If a newer version is available, download the installer for Windows. After the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. You normally do not need to uninstall the previous version first. The new version can be installed over the existing installation. After the installation is finished, open Notepad++ again. To confirm your version, click the question mark menu and select About Notepad++. Here, you can see the installed version number. If the version matches the latest version shown on the official website, your Notepad++ is successfully updated, and that's it. If you see no update available, there is nothing you need to do from the updater. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more helpful Windows and software tutorials.